In this class, we are going to see about the chemical applications of computers and how the computer is used in the chemical field and what are the softwares available that supports the chemical field. All those things we are going to discuss in this unit. So in this the chemical applications of computer is comes under the first unit about the basics. Okay, so the computer found use with chemical engineering for designing the process rather than the product. One of the popular application area of the computer is known as CAD. Okay, you all well known about CAD. Okay, those are this software which helps us to normally use to design. So the use of systems to assist in the creations, modification, analysis and optimization of the design. Okay, so here it is clearly saying that the computer is 100% used for designing the process. They are saying that one of the popular software is CAD. Okay, so what are the things that can be done with the help of the CAD? Okay, if we're talking about the CAD is used for designing. Okay, not only for designing and also for creation, modification, analysis and optimization. For all these purpose it is used. So the different typical tools that we are used in designing are: one is tolerance analysis, second one is mass property calculations, third one is finite element modeling and visualization. These are the three different typical tools. One is tolerance analysis, mass property calculations and finite element modeling and visualization. So before seeing about the float sheet, I want to say something about the computer application software that supports the chemical process. Normally, a chemical process simulation is a new technology developed in the recent decades, right? In the digital era, it is more become powerful tool for chemical engineering design and for the engineering transformation and optimization. So olden days it is not that, but in today's trend in the digital world and in this new era, so all the chemical processes takes place through the software. Wherever you are going, wherever the testing is done, the computer only fix the solutions for any type of problems related to the chemical composition. Okay, so normally a CAD is there. Now the ChemCAD is also one of the commonly used simulation system. ChemCAD is nothing but the CAD which is used for the chemistry field. So in this paper, in this concept, the optimal solvent in the liquid extractions process was first screened by the computing and then process simulation software ChemCAD and used to simulate the working process. So it's one of the best and simple example of applications. So rather than doing it manually, they are doing the optimal solvent in liquid extraction process. First, it is screened and initiated, processed by the computing, and then followed with simulation software. They are used for transformations and other changes. They are using the ChemCAD for designing purpose, and further the result has been declared with the help of the working process. So in order to verify the effectiveness of the process, okay, effectiveness and the efficiency of the extraction process, the peripheral water liquid extraction system was selected as the sample systems. Okay, because if we are using the computers, we have to mention and we have to design all the things. The computer doesn't know the chemistry. Okay, we have to clearly mention all the things what it is. So the basic peripheral water liquid extraction system as considered as a sample or the basis, and further with the help of that the system has been designed. So it is one of the simplest and the best example for understanding how the computers is used in the computer applications. Further with this, I'm going to the next slide of flow sheeting. Flow sheeting has been designed as a use of computer aids to perform steadily about the state heat and mass balancing, sizing and costing for chemical process. So it is one of the software that is particularly used to understand the heat and the mass balancing, the sizing and the costing of each and every chemical process in the chemical applications. The flow sheet is the key document in process design. It shows the arrangement of the equipment selected to carry out the process in the stream connections, the stream flow rates and composition and the operating conditions. So it is a diagrammatic model of the process. This will include piping, instrumentations, equipment design and plan layout. So students, it is very clear we are having a different types of softwares in order to handle the different chemical experiments. Okay, it is not based on the single thing. For example, as I said, the ChemCAD is used for designing, for changing, for transformation, okay, for all those things. Likewise for flow sheet, so in order to maintain the particular state transitions of each and every molecular states or the atoms, we are having the state sheets. So this flow is the key document, because without this flow sheet we cannot able to study the states and the variables and the size and the structure of the each and every molecule structures. Okay, so the arrangement of this process, it carry out different steps in order to achieve the states. So it is a diagrammatic model of the process. So this will include the different kinds of processes such as piping, instrumentation, equipment design and the plant layout. Dear students, kindly see this flow sheet using the flow sheet software. So flow sheet is one of the software which is used to design the chemical experiments, presentations, their structures and their process flow with the help of the state variables which is defined in the flow sheets. Consider that if there is no proper structure for designing, it is very complicated even to draw a single chemical applications. So the software which it makes more comfortable and easier to bring the different kinds of innovations and experiments to the digital world. Automation. The days of operating the plants manually have faded away in the history. The extent of batch operation is undoubtedly coming down and the continuous and the semi-continuous operation constantly increasing. So nowadays the automation is makes more comfortable for all the industries so that they can able to speed up the process. Rather than speed up the process, the efficient and the effectiveness is more when compared with that of the manual thing. And also the same time we can able to reduce the human works and also the time which is taken to do any chemical applications manually. So automations has been constantly growing with respect to its applicability and sophistications. Okay, it plays an important role in achieving the plant productivity, efficiency and effectiveness and ensure the safety. The operating engineers, the production managers, everybody use these softwares and make it more feasible and appropriate strategies of the automation. So the automation is one of the main important thing which is used in chemical application field. So the integrations of the appropriate automations focuses on the following fields such as manufacturing industry, the batch control, the automation systems in different chemical plants, and the economics of the automations. So it plays a major and vital role in all these areas. So there are different computer programs which is used for supporting this chemical applications. One such as Fortran, C, C++, MATLAB, so on. So increases the computer programming by the scientists and the engineers. They started to develop the first high-level procedural programming language called Fortran for the formula translation, which is mainly used in the chemistry field, and also the MATLAB for designing the images or the structures more comfortable with that of the CAD software. Okay, and further many applications of a third generation language like C, C++, etc. are placing a vital role on supporting the chemistry applications. ChemCAD. So now we're going to discuss about the ChemCAD and the advantages. So ChemCAD is the integrated suite for chemical process engineers and the software. ChemCAD is a powerful and flexible chemical process simulation environment which is programmed in C++. Dear students, I had told you that there are different simulation softwares and what is simulation software and why the simulation software become more usage in the chemical industry, right? In the previous classes I had told you about the advantages and the importance about the simulation. So here the ChemCAD is also one of the simulation software. Okay, this software is written in C++ language. So the advantage of ChemCAD is the following advantages are: first one, it shows every day the chemical engineering flow sheets of the system, hence the product quality is increased. Okay, it helps to design new processes and equipment. Next one, it helps to handle raising the fuel and feedstock cost. Good economics comparison by studying the processes alternatives. Reduce the engineering staff. All engineering functions are united in a single software. So we know that ChemCAD is a simulation software and this having this much of advantages. It not only list, it have many things. These are few advantages which is given by the ChemCAD. Followed with, now we will see about the applications of ChemCAD. So we had discussed about the different softwares which we are using in the chemical industry. But however, this session is completely focused on the computer application. So it is very important to know about the different computer applications that is used with the computer simulation softwares or with the different strategy that is handling through the computers. So here the ChemCAD software applications are listed below. First one is distillations or extractions towards the designing, then reactions, Third one is electrolytic process, then thermophysical property calculations, vapor or liquid equilibrium calculations, equipment sizing, environmental calculations, safety analysis, and cost estimations. So these are the applications that we are used in the ChemCAD software. Now we are going to see the things which is handled in the industry, how the computer applications are handled in the industry using the ChemCAD. So it's used as a flow sheet software in the following defined areas. So I had clearly explained you about the flow sheeting before this concept, right? In this session, while starting, I had explained you and I have also shown the diagram for how the flow sheet is used, the flow sheet software, how it is used, okay? So the sum of the chemical applications in the computers in the industry side for oil exploration and refining, fertilizer, pharmaceuticals, process equipments manufacturer, engineering and constructions of plants, academic university programmers, and so on. So these are the few industry in which it uses the flow sheeting for their process using the ChemCAD. Next is Aspen Plus. So as like ChemCAD, Aspen Plus is one of the simulation software developed by the Aspen technology. Here the HYSYS was the process simulation software from a company called Hiprotech. Okay, so the process simulation softwares are merged with the Aspen HYSYS. So this is a model used in the chemical industry mainly for the process development. So I told you earlier, each and every software which is used in the chemical industry in the respective chemical applications have a unique systems. So in such a way, this Aspen is used for the process development. So it's a process modeling tool for the design, optimization, and the performance monitoring for chemical, polymer, and specialty chemicals, metals and minerals, and coal power industry. So you see, I had told you it is a process development to how far extent it's supporting the chemical industry. It is a process modeling tool. They say it is a tool which supports for the following things. One is conceptual design, that is business designing in the chemical industry. Second one is optimization. Third one is performance monitoring for the chemicals, how important it is in the chemical industry, right? Even a small 0.1 percentage which leads to some other structure changes in the transformation. So performance monitoring, the result is very important. Next, polymer, specialty chemicals, the metals and minerals, and coal power industry. So the Aspen is a process modeling tool for the following things. One is steady state simulation, designing performance monitoring, the optimization and business planning for oil and gas production. Then it's a model which is only used in refineries for the process like CIP, distillations, and so on. Batch reactor. So it is one of the next one, the batch reactor. So the batch reactor is a simulator dedicated to the particular chemical reactors in a batch mode. So this is designed mainly for the chemist, the technicians, and process engineers who need for a reliable and a trusted the robust tool to reduce the production cost and to increase the environmental safety regulations and save time in scale-up phase and reduce the time to market of the new products. So in such a way, this batch reactor is used. So a detailed modeling of the reactor based on the heating, cooling, condensers, everything has been mentioned. The acceleration of the scale-up projects from the laboratory, then cost reductions through optimizations with different operating conditions. So we had studied various computer applications in chemical engineering field like AutoCAD, ChemCAD, uh, batch reactor, then MATLAB, etc. So, but as the industry point of view, all the softwares will be aimed in the to reduce the production cost, to respond to the environmental, to save the time, and also to save the time in market for the new products. So, dear students, I hope that you have a very good idea in this lecture about the chemical applications in the computers. So if you have any queries or doubts, you can contact me at gerald.kumar@galkotiasuniversity.edu.in. Thank you all.